YouTube, and welcome back to Useapalooza with me, the inconsistent crafter. And today we are going to be doing something with this styrofoam. Don't ask me what, because I haven't figured it out yet, but you'll be the first to know. Anyway, you know the drill. Enjoy. Okay, so here are the finished products I've done out of the styrofoam. I made 2 pairs of earrings, and I will do a picture of those also at the end for you to see. These are my snowmans, and this one I'll probably just turn into an ornament. So I just need a little hanger there for that one. Can you even see it? No? There we go. And then I made these cute little reindeers. I love these. I should have done the eyes opposite instead of exactly the same, but I wasn't thinking. But I mean, I have plenty more styrofoam if I want to. But I think they turned out pretty cute. And like I said, I'll have pictures too at the end. Anyway, thanks for watching this episode of Useapalooza with me, the Inconsistent Crafter. We only have one more video. Can you believe that? Alright, anyway, have a great day, and I'll see you next time.